Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Dazz Cam app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Dazz Cam is a retro-style camera app that lets users recreate the look and feel of vintage film photography. Inspired by old-school film cameras from the 80s and 90s, the app features a variety of analog filters, date stamps, and light leak effects that give photos a nostalgic aesthetic. You can shoot directly through the app or import photos from your gallery to apply the effects. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app's artistic results, praising the authentic grainy textures, color tones, and UI that mimics using a real film camera. It's a favorite among creators, influencers, and casual users who want to enhance their social media content with a vintage vibe. The app also includes multiple camera modes like Inst SQC, Classic M, and VHS-style video filters. However, there are some drawbacks. Many features are locked behind a paid version, and some users report that the free version is heavily limited with ads. There have also been occasional bugs with saving photos or accessing certain filters. If you're looking for detailed control over exposure or manual settings, this app might feel too simplistic. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Dazz Cam app may be worth using if you enjoy retro aesthetics and want a quick, creative tool for vintage-style photography. It delivers a nostalgic experience with minimal effort. However, the limited free version and lack of manual controls might be a deal-breaker for some. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.